What is the name of this machine?
A claw machine.
I'm not familiar with that. Okay, this is for picking up toys. There's some people are really good at it, but most people are like me who just lose money. We get frustrated. And then now they have a smaller version here. It's like baby ones. Look. What's interesting about this, they have 4 different, you know, how you say, handles. So this one is, she said, the difference between that big one and these small, tiny, mini ones. What is the name of this? This crane thing?
Yeah, the crane.
The crane thing, you know, are different. Like that one is bigger for bigger toys, and these are for smaller toys. That's the difference. So they don't have many space here required, so they have several different ones. And then there's a price here. Anything else about this?
Oh,
So I was thinking, huh?
you can put $5 for 6 plays. So the more you put, and then you can play more games.
So there's a more chance to win with this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Look at what kind of toys. Oh, happy face kittens. Yeah, these are kind of like a keychain toys. By the way, so I saw something new here, and this is a Japanese toy store, I guess. And most of them are Japanese products. Here, and what I like about here is the chandelier right there. If you know my channel, you know that I like chandeliers. There's no light on, but still pretty. Here we go. So that was the machine that got my attention today. Mini ones. That's it. I just found they have more over there. More of them. I guess most people are not necessarily care about the toys in these boxes, but they just don't want to win, so they will use money to do this. This is more likely, I guess, a type of a gamble, which I don't think it's a good idea for children. Well, we have to just be wise, and we have to make good choices in life. You know, because things are out there. Not everything is good for us.